Welcome to Cleaning Queen, where laundry and cleaning is made easy and simple at all levels. So today we're going to talk about the factors that makes your laundry not only stand out but succeed at a very short time. One of the main factors that you need to succeed in a laundry business is believing in yourself. You need to believe in the business that you're about to do. Just like every other business, if you don't believe in what you're doing, it is very difficult to actually start. So it's just like saying your business has already failed even before it started. So you need to first believe in yourself, believe in the business you're going to venture into, because it will not just take your time, it will take your money, your resources, it will take your energy. So you have to believe enough in that business for it to succeed. That is the number one factor. And then the second factor is registering your business. You need to register your business. Most people register their business just for formality purpose, but or some people don't even register their businesses because they feel it's not important or because the business is still small or it's still starting. My dear, registration of business does not cost much and you will need it. And these are the reasons why. Most customers will not trust you with their expensive clothes. And just because you're doing laundry does not mean you're not going to do any other thing. We're not just talking about laundry. When you're starting up a laundry, most of the time people combine laundry business with cleaning services. So without business registration, most people will not trust you with their expensive materials. Scammers are out there, both online and offline. People want to do businesses with people they trust. And for a start, since they don't know you, your business registration is a key factor that tells them that you're not a scammer, you know what you're doing, you're up for business, and they can trust you. So business registration is a key factor. You need to register your business. Another factor that determines if your business is going to thrive is your location. You cannot open a laundry business and locate it in a place where people find it difficult to access. No house address, no street address. You have to jump all the lungus before you get there. No, you have to locate your laundry where it is very easy to access, where customers can come to pick up or to drop off clothes, where customers, if you tell them I'm located at so place, they don't have to take like 4 hours just to locate where you are when they are already in your neighborhood. So your location is a key factor for you to grow your laundry business. And then another factor is availability. If you're starting up a business, you need to let your customers know that these are your opening times. You open between 6 a.m. to 6 p.m., 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday to Friday, or Monday to Monday. Either way, whatever that works for you, you need to make your customers know these are the time that you work. And you don't compromise on those times. It will be very bad for you as a business person that you tell your customers that you're open from Monday to Sunday or from Monday to Friday, and then they come on Monday, you're there, and then on Tuesday, you're not there. So it gives them this impression that you are not serious for business. And since you don't have someone, or maybe you're just starting, you don't have much of a staff, maybe you are still the one doing the laundry, doing the secretary work and all that, you always need to be there. If people know you to be a laundry office or a laundry space that is always not available, they cannot trust you with their work. So that means that business is already on its way to failure. And then another key factor is quality of service. Quality of service is very important. Even those that have washing machine in their houses believes that a laundry personnel, a laundry office, or a laundry person will do a better job than they would do if they should do it by themselves. So when they bring a cloth to you to wash, to iron, or to treat, whatever the case may be, you make sure you give them a quality service because that is what they have in mind when they are coming to your laundry service. Somebody does not bring whites to you and the whites end up going home brown, or someone gives you a white clothes and then when it's going back there is a mixture of color and all that, or you wash clothes, it is not well ironed, whatever the case may be, make sure the expectation people have when coming to your laundry, that you don't just meet those expectations, you exceed those expectations, you wow them with your services. And then another factor is pricing. You don't come to an environment where there is an already existing laundry offices and then their prices are very friendly, and then you as a starter, and then you multiply their prices. It does not work like that. So as a new laundry service, you have to make your price either align with the already existing laundry in the environment,
or you either bring it down so that you gain more customers. The next factor,
it's packaging. You have to be very key on your packaging. Packaging is everything. Neatly packaged product is what sells the most. In laundry business, most of the time people don't actually check like before you in the shop if the cloth is well washed or is the way they brought it, because it must have been packaged and folded. So the first thing they see is your packaging. Your clothes have to be well neatly ironed and packaged. That is the first impression you're giving your customer, that will make them not just believe that you know what you're doing, but that you're serious for business. And then another key factor is advertising. Make sure you are in the faces of people all the time. Nobody patronizes a business they don't even know is it. So make sure that everyone around you, in your neighborhood, on your social media platform, make sure you get what you do out there. Let people know what you do. Offer a free pickup and delivery services. It is a key. Everybody wants a free and easy life. So I believe most customers will love it if you are picking up their clothes and you're delivering it back to them. It makes life very easy for them. These are the key factors that determines if your laundry services is going to succeed, or if your laundry services is going to be a failure or be stagnated. And we don't want that for business. So in my next video, I'll be talking about how to make your small laundry business look very neat, very classy, and very expensive. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button for our weekly insights, and comment any issue you have concerning laundry business or anything about laundry, and we will handle it from there. Thank you for watching.